Hi everyone, so let's talk about leads today. And getting leads is quite easy, but getting qualified leads that actually converts, that's the real challenge. So I imagine you spending hours on reaching out to leads that aren't even a good fit, and you're wasting your time, your energy, and your ad spend. That's why we made this automation that qualify leads based on your ideal client profile, your ICPs, by analyzing their LinkedIn data or their websites. And we're going to generate a lead score for you so that you can focus only on the best prospects. And we're going to automate everything inside of n8n, and this is how we make cold outreach and lead generation smarter and more efficient. So the best part is that this work is already done, so you can see that this flow is already made right here. And I'm dropping flows like this inside of our school community so that you can use automations like this, but for your own business. So if you're working with lead generation, cold outreach, or sales, this community is for you. So if you're new here, I'm Magdalena. I'm the co-founder of Replic, and on this channel, I'm helping you to automate your entire outreach process. So if you're interested in that, make sure to follow for more, and let's get started. Okay, so before diving into the automation, I just want to quickly talk about lead qualification and why it matters. So most businesses, they waste over 70% of their outreach on the wrong leads. So if you don't qualify your leads or have a system for that, chances are that you are reaching out to businesses outside of your target market, or you're selling to startups when you need enterprise clients, or vice versa, or you're targeting companies that don't need your solution right now. And if you don't qualify your leads, then you're going to run blind. And the solution is an AI-driven lead scoring based on real-time LinkedIn and website data. So this is what we are going to give you in this flow that we built inside of n8n, so that you don't have to guess, but actually put your time on high-value prospects. So what is a high-value prospect? So we need to talk about your ICP, your ideal client profile, and this is the key factors to analyze. The industry, is it a SaaS company, e-commerce, real estate, etc.? Their company size, their revenue, do they have a budget for your solution? Their tech stack, are they using relevant tools like HubSpot, Shopify, Salesforce, etc.? Are they hiring people and growing right now? So a key intent could be, if you see that they're hiring certain roles, then you would know that they would be a good fit for your company. And then you have website signals like a strong SEO, do they have an active blog, or engagement signals. And each of these factors will contribute to a lead score out of 10. So I'm going to show you real quick our own ICP for Replic. And what we do is that we personalize cold outreach for those who do cold outreach, but mainly agencies who are running cold outreach for their clients or for themselves. And here you can see that we outline everything from industries to key pain points, the tech stack that they use, and also for Replic's AI-driven cold outreach system, we have another primary ICP here, the key problems they face, the best fit customers, and so on. And when we have all of this data and it's really outlined, we're going to add this inside of our RAG. And if you don't know what a RAG is, I made a video on that previously, so go back and check back on that if you want to learn more. And now when you know how to outline your ICP, then let's dive into the automation. Okay, so super simply put, this automation is doing basically this, that we're going to their LinkedIn company profile and we're going to analyze their data. And if we don't have the link to their LinkedIn company, we're then going to instead go to their website and scrap their information on their website, and then we're going to send the information we have into the RAG that we made to qualify the lead based on your business data. So if we enter in the RAG here, we can see the prompt that this is made of. Here, you are an AI lead qualification agent for cold outreach. Your goal is to identify potential leads, not eliminate them based on rigid ICP matching. The ICP is a reference, not a strict rule book. So we have the whole prompt here if you want to read it. And what we are going to do is that we're going to add this then lead score inside of a spreadsheet for you. So if you watched my previous videos, I started with a LinkedIn profile scrapper on Google for free. So if you didn't watch that video, make sure to do that. So this is that workflow. So I'm just going to run it real time here to show you how it looks like. And we have a Google Sheet here and see how fast it is working. So all you have to do is to enter your target, and then we're going to scrap LinkedIn profiles on Google for free using Google Search API. And then the next step is that I'm going to start this flow where we're enriching that same file with the prospects' websites, emails, and their company LinkedIn. So this is the data we need in order for us to use the last flow to qualify the leads and give you a lead score. Okay, so now I'm just going to start this second flow. It's going to take a minute or two for us to have this information here. And now you can see that it starts to fill up the data that we need here. And now we have all the data, and as you can see, we have the company LinkedIn for some of the prospects, but not all of them. And that's why in the last step, we either send them to the LinkedIn company profile or their website instead. So now we're going to start this third flow, and we're going to see the data being filled up right here while the flow is running. So now it's going to go through all of the LinkedIn company links, these links, and based on the ICP that we feed the RAG with, it's gonna give us a grade over here. And this is the result, and as you can see, I put in a quite bad target inside of my test file here, but now I can see which of my prospects I should put more of my time and resources on, and which of the prospects that are less likely to become a buying client. Okay, so you get this and a bunch of other data here that could be useful if you want to personalize your outreach. So the question is, why would you need this flow? And it's very simple, because it saves you time and resources, no more manually qualifying leads. It increases sales efficiency, so you and your reps only focus on high scoring prospects. It improves outreach ROI, higher engagement, because leads actually need your service. And it's scalable, and it works whether you process 10 or 10,000 leads per week. So this flow is not just a nice to have, it's a game changer for anyone who's doing cold outreach. So if you want to grab hold of this flow, make sure to join our school community where we are dropping flows like this each week in this classroom, and this is where you find your outreach AI agents. If you find this video valuable, please comment down below, and I see you very soon in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.